GeekSpell Studio Episode 3, title, AI Agents Are Taking Over Work. In an anxious age, what ability keeps you from being replaced? Many people worry that AI will take their jobs. That worry is not baseless. Older AI mostly answered questions, wrote text, and made images. Today's AI agents execute tasks. They can read files, analyze data, call software, write code, handle email, schedule work, and even finish multi-step workflows. In the past, humans used tools. Now tools begin to understand goals, break down tasks, and act. We are moving from the age of using software into the age of managing intelligent agents. Facing this shift, people ask, what should I learn so I won't be left behind? The answer may not be one more app or one more programming language. What matters is learning how to communicate with AI and agents, how to state goals clearly, how to give executable commands, and how to judge whether results are correct. Remember this episode's core, not how to defeat AI, but how to turn your intent into instructions AI can actually execute. Part 1. How do AI agents differ from ordinary AI? Ordinary AI is like a knowledgeable advisor. You ask, it answers. An AI agent is more like a digital employee who can operate tools. Beyond advice, it can search, organize files, write programs, analyze spreadsheets, send mail, make reports, call other AIs, and automate repetitive work. Simple split: ordinary AI goes from question to answer. An agent goes from goal to analysis, task breakdown, tool calls, execution, and result checks. So when AI becomes an executor, not only a responder, how we talk to it must change. Casual questions worked before. Now we need clear, complete, verifiable task instructions. Part 2. Why do so many people feel AI is not useful? They type things like, make me a premium website, write a deep article, analyze this project, automate my work. Humans roughly understand those lines. AI still finds them vague. What is premium? Who is the site for? Where will the article publish? Cost, tech, or market? Where does automation start and end? Without background, goals, and constraints, AI can only guess. Once it guesses, results turn generic, off-target, or wrong. Often the model is fine, the task was never described clearly. Part 3. The key skill is turning fuzzy ideas into precise instructions. Talking to AI is not one magic prompt line, it is a new management skill. Managers used to tell people why we do this, what done looks like, which resources, which limits, when it is due, and how we judge quality. Managing agents is the same. A strong AI instruction usually has 6 parts. Background: what is happening now? Goal: what must be finished? Audience: who uses the output? Constraints: what not to do? Output: delivery format. Acceptance: what counts as done. For example, do not only say, write me an AI article. Say instead, write about 1500 Chinese characters for professionals aged 25 to 45. Topic: how AI agents change work. Do not spread panic. Explain why ordinary people need task breakdown, clear instructions, and result checks. Structure: opening, concepts, 3 core skills, 1 case, conclusion, clear language, few jargon terms. The second prompt works better not because it is longer, but because it removes ambiguity. Part 4. Talking to AI is not chatting, it is modeling. Prompt engineering is not hunting secret keywords. A good prompt builds a task model. You convert ideas in your head into a structure AI can follow. The path is fuzzy idea, clear goal, split tasks, add background, set boundaries, specify output, then check results. That is why competitive people may not memorize the most facts, they define problems best. AI can help find answers only if you know which problem you are solving. Part 5. People who stay valuable usually have 3 abilities. First, define the problem. Work fails not from missing answers but from wrong questions at the start. If sales drop, a bad question is, how can AI write more ads? A better one is, which channel, which users, which stage of the buy path is falling. AI can generate content fast. Only humans decide which problem deserves solving. Problem definition will matter more than raw execution. Second, break tasks down. Complex work cannot be one sentence to AI, split it into steps. Building a brand site can mean brand position, audience analysis, information architecture, page copy, visual system, code, performance tests, mobile checks, deploy. Clearer steps mean more stable agent execution, just like managing a real team. Third, verify results. AI generates answers without guaranteeing truth. It may misread needs, cite errors, ship buggy code, or give advice that looks smart but cannot run. So humans must not only order work, they must accept it. The future flow must not be human commands, AI finishes, ship immediately. It should be human defines goal, AI executes, human checks, AI revises, verify again, then deliver. Verifying AI matters more than merely using AI. Part 6, a simple case. Same AI, different results. Two people want a market analysis report from an agent. Person 1 says, analyze the new energy vehicle market. AI may return a broad piece with unclear sources. Person 2 says, analyze Japan's new energy vehicle market for 2025 to 2026, focusing on passenger cars, charging infrastructure, and purchase barriers. Use public data from government, industry groups, and major car makers. Include market size, growth drivers, competitors, risks, 3 future scenarios, and clearly mark uncertain data. Deliver a 2,000-word management report plus 1 comparison table. Same AI, very different outcomes. The gap is task definition, not the model. Part 7, do not only learn prompts, learn AI workflows. Prompts are the door, full process is the house. A mature AI workflow, goal setting, humans decide why, AI proposes options. Breakdown, humans confirm steps, AI fills subtasks. Research, humans judge source, trust, AI searches and organizes. Production, humans set direction and standards, AI drafts. Quality, humans judge correctness, AI self-checks and fixes. Decision, humans own responsibility, AI assists. The stronger AI gets, the less humans can abandon judgment. What is worth doing, what is true, what is acceptable, still human calls. Part 8, anxiety cannot stop change, training clear expression can. Skills that took years can now finish in minutes. That fact is real. It does not mean humans lose value. Value moves from doing every step yourself to choosing goals, designing systems, assigning work, judging quality, owning outcomes, and inventing new directions. You may no longer be only a designer, coder, editor, or operator. You become more like a manager of an AI team. One human sets the goal, agents research, design, code, test, and ship. Then the gap between people is not only who is faster, it is who organizes intelligence more accurately. Closing, what becomes scarce is not answers but clear intent. AI produces more answers every day yet cannot decide what you truly want. It can run commands but not understand goals you have not clarified. So train, say ideas clearly, define goals precisely, split complex work, write acceptance standards, and spot wrong outputs. The future is not simply people who use AI versus people who do not. It is people who issue vague asks and accept random results versus people who define goals, organize agents, control process, and verify outcomes. AI will not auto-eliminate everyone. People who think clearly, express accurately, and manage AI will gradually replace those who only repeat execution. This is GeekSpell Episode 3 Full Essay as Spoken Animation. Series also covers Codex Language Choice and Grok 4.5. GeekSpell spells for the AI age. See you next time.